Is this improvement of immigration system? You will let me tell that 40 years back passports will be checked. Mean that any individual, any immigrant 40 years back, he came to UK and he was declared national citizen by processing. His documents can be reviewed and will be checked once again. Did he speak lie or true? So UK immigration system will have complete right to check the citizens of UK, dual nationality holders who came from other countries. Their documents will be checked once again. I will tell you from where this point came. I will reach the root cause of this point, destination of this point. I will prove you by evidence, and you will also tell me, sir, you were right. So therefore, this clip, and I will also analyze such steps are good for immigration, for future immigration, are not good for immigration, for any immigration system, and who is implementing such laws in the world. That will be also very important knowledge for you, because you will understand UK is following which country, and that country is doing this thing, why. Therefore, why UK followed also, all discussions will be in this clip. One by one word is important, because you will be able to develop your own immigration opinion. Otherwise, lawyers definitely will charge you a lot of money. So my analysis always very closer to the facts. Sometime, my predictions may be wrong, but 90 to 95% I predicted regarding Portugal immigration, Canadian immigration, Australian immigration, and European immigration, and UK immigration. My predictions were correct. But this is not prediction. UK clearly making a law in which they can review the applications of the old nationality holders 10 years back, 5 years back. I use 40 years because they are making limit of 40 years. Mean 40 years back they can also check the nationality they have given. If they will find that we were wrong in assessment of documents and documents were not true, or immigrants spoke lie in documents, informations provided were not correct, is the citizenship can be cancelled, and citizenship cancellation procedure is there. But for current citizens, mean that they are just made citizens and they are just citizens 1 year back, 6 months back, but 40 years back, 10 years back, 20 years back, I never listened in any immigration history. But I will let you tell before explanation. My channel World Immigration News by Irfan, monetized channel of Park Consultant, and also another channel upcoming, World Visa News by Irfan. Keep watching and listening and understanding the immigration systems of the world. Now I am going to, my emails are given in description box. Now I am going to explore from where this point came. Very important. This point came from USA. Donald Trump became president. Laws are regularly changing day by day within USA, and this law was also made just days back, in which it was told you are citizen of USA or you are green card holder, you have no right. These are the words of immigration system, USCIS. These are not your rights. These are privileges. We are just giving you compensation. We are just giving you reward. That rewards are not permanent. They are temporary. We can cancel anytime. And they clarified, if anybody is a green card holder or citizenship holder of the USA, his documents can be reviewed, can be checked anytime. I was the person who criticized little a bit several steps taken by USCIS. I supported in my channel, which were correct. But my concerns as an immigration analyst, that citizens and green card holders will be scared all the time and will be thinking that even they submitted genuine document, they did not know immigration system, may call them, may email them, we are confused, we want some suspicious factor in your application 20 years back, and they may call them, and this they will not call. I know they will call only in severe case, especially in criminal or corruption or any document which was clearly fake or forged, they may call. But there is less chance in USA, less chance in the UK as well. But definitely laws are laws, proposals are proposals. Even Home Office or USCIS do not call immigrant, but this news will create pressure in the minds of US immigrant, I told in that clip, here in the minds of UK immigrant. And when they will have pressure, anxiety, depression, they will not be able to work properly, because all the time they will be thinking, because we know this thing, and I think immigration systems know this thing, Asian countries not submit all true documents. It's very simple. Even student is going, I am confirming you, and you will be astonished, 90% of the students have no money to sponsor themselves, and they take money from relative, from any rich man, and they put that money in the bank account for 3 months. Currently these things are going on. So what is the fault? This is the fault of immigration system. Immigration system, there is no fault. They are following rules. They will check bank statement will be genuine, but that student will be a poor student. He is not able to sponsor. He is just going to UK to earn money, because that is the family pressure within Asia. And now who will judge these things? Who will judge the psychologies of which I am telling you? The person who is living in these countries, he knew these things are fake, these things are genuine, people are doing this. Even this document is a genuine. They are giving genuine financial document. But money, that student did not own, because they took from an uncle, they took from friend, they took from any rich man, and even paid money to him for 3 months. Similarly, in work permit, some things are not going on genuine. Therefore, if citizenship or green card of USA or citizenship of UK is being given to the immigrant, I think immigration system think that we were wrong. First question is that there is a competition of standard of immigration system of the developed countries, that why immigration systems did huge mistake, and that person was allowed to get the citizenship, and at that time the papers were not checked. This will be quite confusing in coming years, in coming months. The filtration process, the checking process must be more better, must be more I think modified, must be more helpful by new softwares. That is very good technique. As I am telling you that now immigration officer, if he is listening or she is listening, he knew that student, I am giving visa, he has no money in the account, he took money from anything, but I am giving because I have to follow law. But now they can tell their seniors these things are going on. Therefore the local individual, counseling of local individual, he knows the psychology of the local people. By this way genuine people will enter. And this thing 40 years back, 30 years back, useless laws, there will be no need. Thank you very much.